Hi there everyone, and welcome back to Wednesday. I hope that you're all okay. To all the family members and subscribers, as always, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you all. You're all legends. Thank you for the comments, please keep them coming, and hit the like button if you are able. Right folks, again from Farmfoods. I found two Takis. One is a Dragon Sweet Chilli, which is hot, and a Volcano, which is Piquant. It says it's new, but I know they're not. And these were 99p. In here, pre-cooked corn flour, palm fat, cheese, chilli flavoured seasoning and a load of other stuff, product of Spain. And the other one is Dragon Sweet Chilli, which it says is hot. And again it's pre-cooked corn flour, vegetable fat, sweet chilli flavoured seasoning and a host of other things. And again 100 grams each, and these were 99p. Now I've seen these at absolutely ridiculous prices, up to £3.99. So 99p, oh, why not, let's give them a go. I'll show you what they look like folks, and there they are. Excuse the noise outside, but there's nothing I can do about that. Right, we'll go for the Piquant ones first. And that's what you get inside. Half a packet as always. The rest of it is air, and apparently the reason for that is so the chips, crisps, whatever, don't get broken up. So this is the Volcano, and this is Piquant. That's what they look like folks. They're really nice. They have a sweetness, a saltiness, and they certainly have a bit of heat. I know people say that Takis are Takis, but this one, the Volcano, gotta be the best one I've had so far. It has a nice mild chili kick. That sweetness and the saltiness. They are absolutely gorgeous. Love them. Really, really nice. I'm just going to check. Yeah, I thought so. They have a lovely cheesiness to them as well. These are very, very nice. The allergy warnings in this are for milk and soya. Nutritional information is there. They are beautiful. That's the nicest Takis that I've ever tried to date. And just cleanse the palate. With some Pepsi. And we'll go on to the Dragon Sweet Chilli, which it says is hot. Sweet chilli flavour. And there it is, folks. Your allergy warning again for this are milk and soya, and the nutritional information is there. Lovely packaging as well. Really nice packaging. Right, folks. Once again, it's half a pack. And it says face the intensity, and as you can see it says it's hot. So let's give it a go. Very, very similar to the other, but they've got a redder colour. Again, they've got a really nice sweetness. A saltiness. They have a bit of heat. Nothing spectacular. They are lovely. I've had a few Takis products in the past, but none of them have been as good as these two. Personal opinion, I think the Piquant one is hotter than the hot. This is very, very pleasant. They are really good. And for 99p a packet, can't knock it. Out of the two, I prefer the Volcano to the sweet chili. I would definitely buy them both again while they're 99p. Great flavours, great taste, gentle heats, they're not overpowering in any way. It's very, very nice. Very nice. I would definitely buy them again. I can recommend them. Score 8 out of 10. Lovely. Very, very nice indeed. Right folks, I will leave that one there for now. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the box below. Hit the bell icon for future uploads, and if you're not yet subscribed, just come and join us, come on. Ain't gonna cost you a penny, so why are you stalling? Just come and do it. As always, I will say namaste to you all. Have an absolutely brilliant Wednesday, everyone. Bye for now.